Hey everybody, your English teacher, Kris Amerikos, is back with another English lesson. And today's lesson is about the difference between past simple, past continuous, and past perfect. So if you're not sure how to use these three verb tenses, or maybe you don't know what the difference is, you don't know the difference in their meaning or which situations you should use these three verb tenses, then today I'm going to help you understand that. But first, let me tell you that if you want to get speaking practice with me and other professional native speaking teachers, then click the link under this video to join our Everyday English program. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about past simple. Past simple is used when we have a concrete time in the past and an action that is completely finished. And that means that it won't happen again. It's completely finished. But we can also use past simple to talk about consecutive actions. Consecutive means one after the other. So for example, first, second, third, this would be consecutive. So I might say, first I woke up, then I went to work, then I ate lunch. And so in this situation, we use past simple. That's it. Now, the second verb tense that we're going to talk about today is past continuous, but some people call it past progressive. So if you call it past continuous or past progressive, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. And we use past continuous or past progressive to talk about actions that happen at the same time. So if one thing is happening and another thing is happening, but this is in the past, then we can say that they were happening at the same time. For example, I was watching TV and my brother was playing basketball. So this tells us that two things happen at the same time, the same moment. And it can also tell us about interrupted actions. Interrupt means that something breaks or stops in the middle. So maybe somebody is talking to you and then you start talking before that person is finished speaking. So if you speak before he is finished speaking, you interrupted him. So we can use past continuous or past progressive to talk about interrupted actions. So we might say, John was speaking when Mike interrupted him. All right? Past continuous or past progressive also focuses on a process, not a result. So we don't have a result here, and we don't know what happened in the end. And the last verb tense that we're going to talk about today is past perfect. Past perfect is quite difficult. And past perfect talks about two actions in the past, and one of them happened before the other. So usually we're going to have one verb in past perfect and one verb in past simple. For example, when I came home, I understood I had forgotten my keys. So understood is past simple, came home is past simple, right? This was our consecutive actions from past simple. First I came home, then I understood, and then I want to talk about something that happened before those things, before I understood, before I came home. And that's when I can use past perfect. I had forgotten my keys. Now, those are some different examples for us to understand, to help us understand these three verb tenses. But now, let's look at the same sentence, and we will change the verb, and we will understand how the meaning changes, okay? So, hope you're ready. The first example is with past simple. Now, if we look at this timeline, we can see that past simple is one action that happens before now. And here's our sample sentence. When I came home, she cooked dinner. This is about my personal life because I'm not good at cooking and my wife usually cooks. So when I came home, she cooked dinner. And you can see that this happened before now, right? One action in the past. When I came home, she cooked dinner. So this is first and then second. First I came home, then she cooked dinner. First I came home, then she cooked dinner. First, second. These are consecutive actions, and we use past simple to talk about that. Now, when we use past continuous or past progressive, it looks a little different. We can say, when I came home, she was cooking dinner. So first we have past simple and then past continuous or past progressive. Was cooking. And this is what it looks like on our timeline. Before now, there's a process, right? And this process goes forward in time. It moves forward ahead from the past towards the present. And it started in the past, but we don't have a result. It's not finished. So, she was cooking dinner. When I came home, she was cooking dinner. So this means she started cooking dinner and she was still in the process when I came home. So there was no result. There was a process happening. And then I came home in the middle of this process. So I interrupted this process like we talked about before. And our third example here with past perfect, when I came home, she had cooked dinner. And if we look at the timeline, we see two past actions. When I came home, she had cooked dinner before that, right? So first, she cooked dinner. Then I came home and I saw the result. So here you can see that the same sentence has a very different meaning when we change the verb. Here we have past simple, past continuous or progressive, and past perfect. Again, when I came home, she cooked dinner. This means first I came home and then she cooked dinner. When I came home, she was cooking dinner. This means she started cooking dinner and was still in the process when I came home. And when I came home, she had cooked dinner. This means first she cooked dinner, then I came home and I saw the result. So I hope that quick, short lesson helps you understand the difference between these three past tense verbs. And remember that if you want to practice your English and you want to practice using the grammar that you learn, then come over to our Everyday English program and speak English with us every day. We have a lesson every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day. And I almost dropped my marker there. And you can come over and practice speaking with me, with other teachers. And these are teachers from English-speaking countries and students from all over the world. We have a lesson every day for 60 minutes about different topics. And so just click the link under this video to come over and join our Everyday English lessons, okay? I hope you liked this lesson. Feel free to press like, write a comment if you liked it, and share it with your friends. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.